Are you struggling with Outlook search issues? We've got the solutions for you. In this video, we'll walk you through common Outlook search problems and how to fix them. Is your Outlook search broken, or are you missing emails? It's a common and frustrating problem. Don't worry, we'll show you how to get your search working perfectly again. The first crucial step in fixing Outlook search issues is often rebuilding the search index. You can do this by going to the control panel, selecting indexing options, and then choosing to rebuild your index. This process often solves the problem by refreshing how Outlook catalogs your emails, ensuring everything is searchable. Next, let's look at OST Resync and understanding cache versus online mode. Resyncing your OST file can resolve discrepancies between your local data and the server, making sure your search is accurate. Understanding whether you're in cached or online mode is key, as it affects how Outlook retrieves search results. Cached mode uses a local copy, while online mode accesses the server directly. Sometimes, a damaged Outlook profile is the root cause. Here's how to repair it. To repair your Outlook profile, go to Account Settings, then Data Files, and choose to repair. Consider this option if other fixes fail, or if you're experiencing persistent, unexplained Outlook issues. You'll see how quickly and accurately Outlook performs searches once these common problems are resolved. In conclusion, don't let IT issues hold you back from productivity. Implement these fixes to get your Outlook search working smoothly again. Or, for an AI-first IT support expert, give Maddie at Asambe a try. We're sure she'll have a reasonable response for your IT issues. Don't give up. Help is always available to get your IT issues sorted.
Hit that subscribe button below and join our community.